Well, my parents say so, my siblings say so, society says so. I wish really everyone understood that I am existent. And I have grown up. I am capable of making decisions on my own. I guess I have grown up and you haven't. I believe that we are in the phase of life where we keep fighting for ourselves and we can experience the biological changes, the generic societal perspectives, and more such. We are surviving for our own existence, right? Is this feeling wrong? Well, according to me, no, this is not wrong at all. We are in a phase where we have already undergone and undergoing, and we still keep experiencing it throughout the life. We are in the phase where we wanted everything to move on right. Okay, fine. From my sweet 17 years of my life, I have undergone a lot of things and have experienced a lot of things. Was it good? Was it bad? Was it right or was it wrong? Yes, I don't know. Time will definitely tell us. But I can humble experience that I admit to those experiences which have really taught me how to stay strong and how to handle things in a very easiest way and how to face the problems which we are experiencing in our day-to-day life. Okay, fine. Let me share a small story of myself. When I was 14 years old, I landed into trouble. It's due to peer influences. That was the stage where me and my mother became too close and we became too close friends. She started hearing my stories. When she came and sat next to me, I started explaining her my stories. She was like listening to those stories very patiently and calmly, and she was still smiling all along with me. I was like, was I changing it? But I slowly started experiencing that more than friends, parents are the greatest assets we have in our life. We all know that. As we the adolescents, many are here adolescents only, right? Many are here the teens. I know we do not like getting advices. We do not like getting restrictions. We feel like we want to live our own way in our own life. Many things happen in our life. We keep experiencing a lot of things from day to day life. We cross a lot of things. My mother, she gave me a lot of support and she guided me in a lot of things. In such a way I can say that she guided me in the right path to choose the best friends and my future, and she helped me in taking my own decisions and what not. And she is my mother. She knew me. She knew my character. I mean, she knew my bad habits, my good habits, and what not. Every mother do. Every mother are great. We must respect them. We all know that building castles in the air without foundation is something wrong. If we make wrong, it's not a mistake. Not everyone are perfect. Everyone learn from their mistakes. Mistakes is our greatest chance. Okay, let me give a fix and some. Let me give a speed and fix to this unending experience. So, being an adolescent, I can give a start. Be calm, stay calm, and have a composed atmosphere with your parents. And I also learned a very good thing from my mother. That was, the key for parenting is to stay calm. If you stay calm, your teens' wave emotions will pass by. They'll automatically come to know where we are and what is the mistake we did. Later on, or soon or later, we will realize that it's our mistake. It's our mistake why we yield on that. We start thinking based on that. It can be because of silly reasons or unreasonable, or it can be it's merely because of our mood swings. Everyone in this age cross mood swings. Everyone in this age will definitely cross phase. So that our parents also must stay calm and experience with your teens. Being an adolescent, we all know that our parents have crossed this adolescent stage. That's why they keep on giving us advices and they keep on giving us lectures, it's because of their experiences. We all must come to know that every parents are something different and the teachers something different. We all must follow them. If we trust them, we will definitely reach the goals. I wanted you all to ponder what was my topic based on. Was it adolescence, parenting, or peer pressure? You all are confused, right? Yes. As I already said to you at the beginning itself, we adolescents are always confused. As we are end of this conversation, so this is Shreya Vishwanath of grade 11D and confused adolescent with a lovable family. God bless and thank you.